Do you ever wonder what to do with going bad bananas? Well, today I'm going to show you healthy banana bread recipe made without cups of oil and sugar. It is light, moist, and fluffy. Let's do it.
The default temperature for baking all quick breads is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is your life skill right there. Then I have this very scary looking bananas, but they make the best banana bread. They were previously frozen, so I just put them in a bowl with hot water for like 10 minutes. They thawed. Now I peel them, and you want all that liquid in there to mash it up with, because that's part of the banana. I get asked this question all the time: should I discard the liquid? No, don't. And if you don't have scary looking bananas, like just yellow with a lot of brown spots, work. Grab a masher or a fork, mash them up. And here I'm just making sure I have the correct amount of bananas, because we all know all bananas differ in size. When I say medium or large, they will be all different for everyone. So just make sure, measure mashed bananas in a cup and put them back in. I had a little bit of extra, and it's not going to break the recipe. Now we're going to add 2 large eggs for binding, and this is 1 bowl recipe. My secret moisture ingredient instead of a cup of oil is Greek yogurt. You can also use applesauce, and you can also use plain yogurt. Just make sure you're not using non-fat. The trick to help the liquid sweetener to slide out of the cup is to spray the cup with cooking spray, and then it just slides out. Avocado oil, coconut oil, butter, use any mild tasting oil, whatever you like. I love avocado oil, I'm obsessed with it. So I'm adding that, a splash of vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt. Cinnamon would be really nice. I just like to keep the bread very plain and simple, and you guys add what you want. So here, once again, it's 1 bowl recipe, so you just want to grab a whisk and make sure you whisk it really, really well. And here you can go very hard, because we don't have flour with gluten yet, so nothing can get damaged. Then you stop, and you want to make sure the white balls of baking powder and soda are dissolved, because if they are not, then the bread will not rise as well. But don't worry about it, everything will work. Here is the correct way to measure the flour. You take a spoon and you scoop it into the measuring cup. Don't pack it in, and then just level the top. The most correct way is to weight your flour on food scales, but I think that's very complicated for a quick bread. Quick bread is meant to be for anyone to be able to make, even if you're not a baker. Grab a spatula and you stir everything very gently, like don't go vigorously like when I was whisking. Give it a few stirrs, let it sit, let the liquids absorb the dry flour, and wait a few more seconds. Here I decided to add a little bit of extra flour, because remember I had a little bit of those extra mashed bananas. I love crushed walnuts in banana bread, and I just put them in my hand and crush above the bowl. Like that saves you washing a chopping board and a knife. Who doesn't love that? You can also add chocolate chips, more walnuts, pecans, I don't know, raisins, dried cranberries, blueberries. Just go crazy, it's your banana bread. Spraying the pan, I like to line it with parchment paper so I don't have to clean it after. Am I lazy or what? But really, there are so many dishes all the time. Level with spatula, the top. Every bit goes in there, Ukrainian and me. And then we're going to bake it. Here my oven runs a little bit hotter than the one in my house, and I'm gonna do 16 minutes. You can also do 50 minutes, you might have to do 70 minutes. Oh my gosh, look at this beauty. It is like absolutely beautiful top. It is not dry, and it has this crack. Let's see if it's ready. So you insert the toothpick, and if it comes out without any crumbs, your bread is ready. Don't overbake, that's when it dries out. But we don't have a dry healthy banana bread here. It is super moist. It is absolutely delicious. Look at those little pieces of baked banana, and the brown ones and the light yellow. Oh, this is so good. Okay, let's do taste test. And I love, 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 love it with a little smear of butter. Oh, not because it's dry, I just love butter. Who doesn't love butter? I hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, share this recipe with your friends and family, and see you next time. Bye bye.